Okay, good afternoon, all of you. Today, I would like to thank you for your giving opportunity to present on fourth International Conference on Sustainable Development. My topic is Indhuppu in Siddha aspect. It is a review part. Next. Before going to start my presentation, now you can see the contents of presentation. I will explain one by one. Now, more to introduction. Siddha medical system is known as one of the indigenous medical system, which is practiced in northern and eastern part of Sri Lanka and southern India. Siddha system of medicine is predicted on Tridosha theory, that means Vata, Pitta, Kapha, and Panchabhutas theory, that means 5 elements such as earth, water, fire, air, and space. Pitta classified the metals and minerals into 4 groups. On his book, Boger 7000 and Boger Karasara 3. They are metals, toxins, mineral, hydrochemical. According to the Siddha classification, rock salt is considered as a major raw material under Karasaram. Vernacular name of rock salt called in Tamil Indhuppu, Saindavam, Sindhuram, Sandran Uppu, Madi Kurmai, Madi Uppu, Mindachal, Tani Kurmai. In Sinhala, called as Saindalunu. In English, Himalayan salt, rock salt, Himalayan rock salt, Himalayan pink salt, and halite. It is collected from Himalaya and Punjab northwest. And in character, it is a thin and heavy, white and reddish in color, and also prepared as a synthetic salt. The Indhuppu is mostly used for medicine preparation, which is mentioned in Siddha literature. Those medicines are usually as balanced tridosha. Let's move to justification of the study. Herbo-mineral drug preparation are unique to Siddha medicine. So, there is need to know about the mineral drug. Rock salt is considered as the most common drug in Siddha herbo-mineral drug preparation. Objective. 2 objectives are considered in this research. General objective is a review on rock salt in Siddha aspect. Specific objectives are 3 specific objectives are considered for this research. One is identify the organoleptic character, and another one is contents of 5 element. Last one, identify the pharmacological properties. The system of medicine, organoleptic character and contents of the elements are very important role for identify the drug's mode of action in curing disease. So, we need to know about it. Methodology. Study design is a literature review and study period from September to December of 2020. Study tool is using Siddha classical textbooks and other textbooks and search engines such as Google Scholar and PubMed. Collected data were classified and compiled by using simple statistical method using MS Office. Resultant discussion. According to the organoleptic character, rock salt has salt and sweet taste and heat potency, and also sweet efficacy. Properties of rock salt have light, oily, and substitute. According to the 5 elements of rock salt and related to the taste, salt has water and fire element. So it has earth and water element. So salt taste that stimulate appetite and promote digestion, liquefaction of phlegm, relieves constipation, cleanses the throats and perspiration. Sweet taste, which promote tones of tissues, enhances complexion and vigor, and promote weight. In influence of the properties on Vata, Pitta, Kapha in Siddha aspect, oily property which affect on increase Kapha and reduce Vata. Light property which affect on increase Vata and reduce Kapha. And subtle which affect on Vata. Based on the effect on tissues, oily act as strengthening and softening. Light property act as a depletes, and also subtle property act as depletes and penetrating effect. According to the 5 elements of rock salt related to the Tridosha, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, these are main role in Siddha aspect. Vata contain air and space elements, and Pitta contain water and fire element. Kapha contain earth and water element. So, salt alleviates Vata and Kapha and provokes Pitta. Sweet alleviates Vata and Pitta and provokes Kapha. According to this concept, rock salt is balanced tridosha. Rock salt controlled the Vata and Kapha and cured abdominal related disease such as gastritis, gastric ulcer, and abdominal pain, and also arthritis disease. So, it promotes healthy metabolism within the body. Introducing rock salt to the body allows for increased water absorption within the digestive system and surrounding organ, and also facilitates cellular absorptions of minerals, replace body electrolytes, and maintaining pH balance. According to the pharmacological activities, rock salt has laxative, purgative, carminative, digestive, diuretic, stomachic, liver tonic, anodyne, emetic, and dyspepsia. When intaking low dose of Indhuppu, it acts as a laxative, and high dose intake, it acts as a purgative. Rock salt in Siddha medicine, rock salt is used as an internal and external route. Externally used most solution of water, and internally used with other raw material. Externally, example for in sprain, rock salt pack applied for swelling, stiffness, and painful part of the body. And also used nasya therapy, gargling therapy, and also used for scald and burns. Internally, mostly used with other raw material. It also mentioned, for example, Atasurana. It is used for stomach-related disease, such as stomach irritation, blearsness, balanced HEL secretion, and flatulence, constipation. And also Vasti therapy used prepare an emulsion for dissolve and expel the toxins from intestine. In Siddha medicine, rock salt used more rheumatic pain, herbs, inflammatory disorder, and insect bite also used. Conclusion: according to this research result, Indhuppu plays an important role in curing major disorder including abdominal disorder and arthritis disease. This review provides useful documented evidence. However, there is need to more further study. This is my research. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, the way you present the presentation is appreciated. What's your name?
Sripandurangana, ma'am.
Sripandurangana, your
Radhakrishnan.
way to present the presentation slides are nice, but
Mhm.
there are some comments I would like to tell you to develop or to enhance your research knowledge. That is the intention to mention the comments. Okay. The
Okay.
first thing is you have the review. It's a review article, one of the review article. What do you mean review article? It's my first question to you. What do you mean review article?
So it usually used for documented evidence in rock salt.
No, that enough documentary evidences are there, no? In the
Siddha, in
Mukesh
Siddha medicine,
Tadajiva
no
book is
documented
there. There
evidence.
are so much of books are available. Yeah, it's documented already. The literature for the rock salt is documented already. So the review
But is
article, what do you mean review article is you should read more than 100 papers about the rock salt, then you should critically analyze between the findings of the paper, between the findings of the literature. That is the review article. Okay, you should critically analyze the things. That is the review. The review article can be written by the specialized or special experts in the field.
mm-hmm.
Those person only critically only have the capability to critically analyze the literature. Okay, that is the first thing. So in future you avoid the review article, you can do the literature research as the previous presenter Dr. Slojana. Okay, but review, when you write the review article, you should follow some standard methods. Okay, so in the
Okay.
methodology, you have mentioned the study design is literature review. You have mentioned the methodology.
Yes, ma'am.
The literature review is not a research design. It's one of the step in the research. Okay, literature
Descriptive
review.
study, ma'am.
So you cannot put the literature review as a research design. Okay. Then another thing, the objective, the general objective is okay, but the specific objective you have mentioned to find out the organoleptic character is one thing. So in the Murugesh book, it's mentioned the organoleptic character is the what is the taste, potency, and the vibhagam. It's mentioned in the book. So no need to find the organoleptic character through your research. It's already mentioned in the books. Can you understand what I say? So
Yes.
it's already mentioned in the book. So I think this even the pharmacological activities, all the things are mentioned. When you Google the rock salt, you will get all the information, everything in the Google. So I think it's the special objective that you have written the organoleptic character and the pharmacological activities. Those are not necessary because all the things are in the Google or textbooks. Okay, other thing, yeah, discussion part. The discussion part, the obtained results should be discussed with the existing literature. That is the discussion. Okay, the obtained results by you should be discussed with the existing literature. So when you discuss your research findings with the existing literature, you should put the citation within the bracket. That is the standard method for the discussion. So you did not follow the, I think you are not, the knowledge is insufficient to write the discussion. It's my comments. Okay, then before the conclusion slide, you put the medicinal juices. It's not mentioned in the objective, but you have put the medicinal juices for the rock salt also. Conclusion also, you should arrive the conclusion based on the specific objective. Okay, doctor, can you understand what I am saying?
Okay, okay.
Your own comments in the conclusion based on the specific objective and the results and discussion only, you can arrive the conclusion. Okay, therefore you follow these. I hope you will follow these comments or advices in your future researches. Thank you very much.